This is our test van. I've already installed a TempShield kit in this van, but I've removed 2 panels, well 3. It wasn't easy, believe me, this stuff really sticks. But I've removed them to show you some tips and tricks that I've learned from doing multiple vehicles. First of all, how to identify which part you need. Well, I'm sure you've downloaded the instructions off our website, and from that I can identify that for this piece I need W15 and W16. Now how do I find that? I look on the back of the sheets, and it may be hard to see on camera, but you can see here W15, W16. Now, before I remove these, I always like to just do a quick run by with a knife, just to ensure that the edges are nice and crisp and clean. Another tip and a trick that I've learned that helps in some of these applications, to remove the paper backing, I like to hit it with a heat gun. This really loosens up the glue just enough to help break that seal on the back and making it for an easier install. Once I hit a part where it starts to tear, I generally just like to work around it and away from it. There you go. Now, identify on the install instructions where in the van it goes. Put it in place. I always like to eyeball it first and then start at one end and work my way like that. Identify that this is indeed the right spot. Verify it with the number on the back. Yes, sir, it is. A little bit of heat just to loosen it off. So as always, line it up quickly, make sure you're in the right spot. Start from one side. And work your way over. Now boom, just like a knit warm sweater from grandma for your van. In some van constructions, there's a lot of space that needs insulation, but not much access to it. So one of the ways I've found to make this work best is to leave the backing on it. Start this, get it loose, and just put it back. That allows you to fold it up, slide it in. Once it's back there, start to remove the paper. Now that's in place and the van is ready to receive the cherry on this little insulated cake, Duratherm wall liner.